I can't choose. I love doing both. I love acting and cinema as much as I love music. But music, of course, is a little more personal because I can do it alone. I can, you know, just pick up my guitar in the middle of the night and make a song. For film, I need a lot of collaborators. But I love being on a film set. I love the whole hustle of, you know, people walking around with lights um, and saying and screaming silence and saying action and cut. I love that whole thing. Yeah, I just love expressing through art, and I will continue to do that through multiple mediums. And if that includes writing, if that includes um, producing my own film, if that includes painting, anything, I'd explore every form of creativity. It does. I hope I have some business acumen because अभी तक तो मैंने ऐसा कुछ empire create नहीं किया है. But I think business follows if you are actually, like, it's very cliche to say, but if you're actually doing what you love to do, which is something I'm blessed to do. Like, I love being on stage. I absolutely love being in front of camera. And money follows. If you're happy, if you're connected to your work, to the audience, everything else just follows. And I just feel lucky, you know, to wake up every morning and do this and call myself what you just called an artist, a creative entrepreneur. Absolutely. Every song of mine comes from real life, including Duro Duro Botla. Uh, that's how I understand life. That's how I process life. That's how I make sense of life. Like, if I'm going through a turbulent emotion and I don't know what to do with it, who to talk to, you know, about, I will write it down. I will make a song out of it. And I think, and I feel the more personal something is, the more universal it becomes. And Duro Duro is a very personal song. It comes from such a deep personal space that, and I feel probably that's why it connects, because it's so truthful. It मतलब उसका वो श्रृंगार नहीं किया है हमने कुछ, इसमें कुछ उसको कूल बनाने के चक्कर में हमने कुछ नहीं. It's just, you know, whatever came from the heart, we've put it out there, and it found its place after 3 years. But I'm glad it found its you know, the right audience. I'll go back to sleep. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. Marry me. If my phone could talk, it will not talk. It'll cry. It'll laugh. It'll do all sorts of emotions. I do that once in a week anyway. Reading newspaper. Oh wow, there are so many things I've actually not done or said no to because they were not part of my value system. So I've said no to money. But I'm not sure if I can say what those things were. But lots of things. Lots of things. क्या क्या करूँगा मैं ऐसा? पैसे के लिए नहीं करूँगा. I don't do things for money anyway. Duro Duro, of course.